Kaunti ya Meru rwareni ariritie mwaluluku mwanya kiri muswanda yo kimera kimbira kenda konokia kimera ki kaitino kono wa MC wa Kenja Kenya ibaye na itiliti muswanda yo kenda kwariria mpara na kiaramu ntere mwanya cha kaunti ya Meru nturabo wa timbaru ni MC Kadhumba bambunge mutugi kare aina ripoti hii.
Narua mbunge ya Meru nithirite kithithia maugaruruku na kuja kurukia kiri muswanda jwa kimera kia mira na nyumene muswanda juju ethira jwe kurukwa kiri nkathi ya muthia ala juga ikwa na ndikiri ngabana wa Meru kenda kajuikira saini na gutuika watho na baki adia bama MCs bona ne kugirwo kwa ne ukurukwa kwa muswanda juda bagwa jokagu na murimi na mobiashara wa mira wa mwana gukiri uchumi bwa Meru.
The Committee of the Whole House has considered the Meru County Mira Promotion Bill, that is Bill number 4 of 2025, and its approval thereof with amendments.
May I take this opportunity to thank the Honorable Speaker and the Committee on Agriculture for this very historical step that they have taken.
And I hope after this, now we can now speak one voice and say the law says this and this concerning Mira farming, trading, and even exportation.
With this bill, we are going to give Mira a lifeline. If we don't offer a solution for the Mira crop now, then I don't think we'll get a solution again in the near future, because this has been elusive, and having no laws governing the market of Mira has really caused a lot of havoc.
Vyakula vyetu vilikuwa vimekosa faida, lakini wakati huu mswanda umepita, Mheshimiwa Spika, tunajua tunaenda kuinuka kwa njia zingine, manake Mira inaenda kupata pesa.
Today the reality has come. They have cried a lot.
Ile Mira inapouzwa kule eneo ambalo la kuuzwa katika Meru nzima, ikuwe ni kule Bore, ikuwe ni kule Tigania ama Igembe, Mheshimiwa Spika, inafanya biashara inaimarika.
MC wa Kenja Kenya ibaye katika muswanda jwa Mira ethira gitonyera na kurombe MCs bajurungi kekanini bere bategere mantuje gempara akiwa kaunti ya Meru mono icigo mbunge bya Bore Gembe na Tigania nibokurukira kagita komo daiji ni wagubobye kurea ni untumburete ethire kingana.
Especially the ward where I come from, which is Kianjai, is badly affected by this drought. And Mr. Speaker, Meru County 50% is ASAL area. So when the mapping was being done and this county was not classified as ASAL, I believe most part of Igembe, Tigania, and part of Bore, they are as dry as Isiolo, Turkana, Kwale, and the rest.
Half of Meru is dry. So we should think of coming up with initiative that we have Meru gazetted as part of the arid and semi-arid lands and areas in Kenya.
Karibu Meru nzima, kwa sababu hata sehemu zingine za imenti kama vile Kiago pia kuna ukame mkubwa sana ambao unatemkia hapa Tharaka.
Irombare MC uju na bange barabethire bakimugwata mbaru nikiringa bana mutumanto ethinkia kureta supplementary budget kenda bagachwa kigena gya gutethia mu Meru,
so that we can realign the budget and help our people who are suffering from the drought.
There's opportunity to urge, especially the national government, to try and see how we can have a feeding program in the schools, so that now we can be able to sustain children in school and also ensure that learning goes on smoothly.
Ripotrande to Shawero reakwari etwa ne motuge kare.